Hey guys and gals, I wanted to get on here and talk a little about something real quick. This ain't gonna be a real long video or nothing. I haven't done enough research, but I've done a little bit about this product I want to talk to you about and tell you how I'm using it with my Samsung S20 Ultra cell phone. Okay. This thing right here. The Blue Yeti X. Okay. USB microphone. It's supposed to be like #1 in USB microphones. Okay. Used by quite a few people. Well, I don't have a lot of information about how to do this, but I connected it to my phone and I'm using it currently. And this is it. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. But it's like, I don't know, it seems a little bigger than the normal ones or the average ones. But I've been messing with it a little bit and it's like super sensitive. It's got a lot of settings on it and you're able to look at the patterns right there and choose by 4 different ones. There are right here. There's the patterns. If you want to pause it and read it or take a look at it or even Google it. But yeah, it's a good mic. Like it's a fire mic, I think. It's the first one that I've used, really. But I want to go ahead and show you something about how to use it with your cell phone. I'm using a Samsung with Android, of course. I don't know if this would be compatible with iPhone or not, but I'm about to unplug the way I got this hooked up to my phone, and it's going to drop down to the regular microphone on my phone. So here we go. This thing right here. Okay. I got a USB-C power supply coming right here. And this is the microphone. That is the USB port for the microphone. And this is USB-C. That's plugging into my phone. Let me see if I can plug this back in. And there we go. But it's a doo-doo cool, kind of a weird name. Just your multi-USB 3.0 port dongle, and it has the option to add power supply, and that's what I'm doing with it. And that's running power to the mic instead of draining from my battery. But I could only shoot it like this and use this mic on an option called Pro Video in the camera settings. It wouldn't let me choose a USB sound recording device in any other format in video except for the Pro features, and I guess that's understandable. So if you want to use a mic with your Samsung S20 Ultra, you're going to have to use it in Pro Video. And but there's a lot of like specs and whatnot for this microphone. Yeah, it's a custom 4-capsule condenser array for greater focus and clarity. But yeah, anyway, I'm using it right now, running it through my phone. I kind of described of how to use it with my phone, and this is the way it sounds. So if you're wondering about it, you're wondering about getting it, it's about $160 at Best Buy. Here it is. This is the way it sounds. If this sounds good to you, you know, you can go to Best Buy or go to Amazon and order it. But if you like this video, hit the like button. If you like it a lot, subscribe. I try to make different videos about different devices and how to use them, and not so much knowledge about how to get things to work and whatnot. But y'all have a nice day or night, and I am done. Thanks, guys.